am going on a trip. This will be my first big trip since Christmas 2019. So I haven't packed for more than like a weekend trip in 2 years. Tomorrow I am boarding a flight to Vancouver. I will be there for 1 week. I am going there as a business trip. That's part of my day job and I'm super excited. I'm a bit nervous as well because I haven't traveled in so long. So now it's Saturday about like 11 a.m. and my flight is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and I need to pack. I don't know if I'll be doing much exploring because it's like 90% chance of rain every day that I'm there. So I also need to pack accordingly to this rainy weather. Not super cold, like 10 degrees, but rain. But also because I'm going there for business, I want to bring some clothes that are business okay. I'm quite lucky to be working for a very casual business, so we don't need to dress up when we go to work, but still, you know, it's a professional workplace. I want to be dressed professionally. It's also been a very long time since I've been on a flight by myself, because usually if I've been traveling, Ben's been with me, but he's not coming with me. 5 hours of solo time to probably edit this video right now. Maybe take a nap. Have a big day ahead of me. Need things to do. Less talking, more packing. Let's do this. So I already selected the clothes that I'm gonna wear for every work day or every like event that I have. They've been on hangers for a few days because I don't want them to get too wrinkled. But what I've done is I've already picked, like, I have a event on Sunday evening, so I'm gonna wear this, and then I know I want to put this tank top underneath so it's already together so I don't forget it. And then same thing, I have a dress with the tank top for underneath. I want to wear this shirt, this other button down. So this is all just already selected, and now I'm just gonna fold it. Whenever I pack for a big trip, I always like to do a list, and I usually start my list like a week, maybe 2 weeks in advance, just things that I'm thinking about of things that I want to bring. I like to use Google Keep to do the list. I find it easy, and then I can have access to it on my laptop or on my phone, and they have that nice like checkbox option, so when something is packed, you know, you have it, you can just check it. And as you can see, I really like to go into details, like I need an outfit for Monday. Cool, what will I wear Monday? So I really go as detailed as possible, as detailed as I can, just to make sure that when it's time to pack, I don't need to be worried about forgetting things or anything like this. And I just know I have everything there on the list. So from the list, it looks like this. This is just for clothes. I've piled everything in outfits. This is Monday outfit. And I've also even chosen the underwear and the accessories that's gonna go Tuesday, Wednesday. And here, for example, I have one pair of pants that I'm gonna wear twice with 2 different shirts. So one time, second time. Same thing here happening with those jeans. Here I have an outfit for a going out event we're doing. So same, I pick the accessories. If I need like any specific underwear or things to wear underneath, I have it already. Another outfit here, this is a dress that I'm gonna wear one day at work. Here I have some like loungy clothes for in the hotel. I have a outdoorsy outfit. Vancouver is known for being an outdoorsy town, so I have all that I need. Like I said, even down to the underwear that I need for like these specific leggings, for example. 2 pajamas. I have a raincoat, some gloves, a turtleneck type of thingy, a hat. I also pack, like I like to do yoga in the morning, so I have a yoga outfit here. I am missing a sports bra because they're currently in the wash. I have my warmer coat, and what's nice about this coat is that it's gonna pack into this. So I think here we have all the clothes that I absolutely need. I might add like a few t-shirts in, you know, you never know when a spill happens. And then here I already have my shoes that I know I'm gonna bring. These are very comfy boots and they are in leather, so they will be okay in the rain. Some running, walking shoes, flip-flops for the hotel, and then just my other Converse for the plane, and just like regular shoes to wear at the office. We have made it to the floor because the bed is full. I just packed all of my toiletries and everything related to that. I have 3 pouches. I have one that I'll take with me on the plane. So this is just really like essential stuff. So we have a deodorant. I have a little bottle here with like, it's an old Advil bottle, but inside I have some ibuprofen, I have some gravel, and any like little type of medicine that might be useful on the plane. But I'm also bringing it mainly for when I am on my trip. When you don't feel good, you don't want to go to the pharmacy to go buy some medication. So it's good to have some on hand. I have my actual pill, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Have this very closely to you when you're traveling. Super useful. I do usually have an electric toothbrush, but not on the plane. Let's not be cray-cray. And I also have my Diva cup because you never know when that's gonna happen. Just this should be good enough for me on the plane. I've also packed like a little first aid kit. That's also something I love to have with me when I'm traveling. If you're sick or if you hurt yourself, especially since I'm alone, right? I'm traveling alone. I like to have any necessities that I might need if something happens. In here I have a few things. I got a bunch of band-aids, especially I think I'm gonna be walking a lot. Band-aids are a must for my very sensitive feet. Some polysporin, so if I have a cut, a burn, whatever, anything. Some gravel. I'll be trying out new restaurants, so you never know when you're gonna have a upset stomach. I have some Benadryl as well when traveling. New spaces, new things that are in your environment. Great time to have a rash or an allergic reaction to something. And then I got those like alcohol pads. So same thing, if I like cut myself or hurt myself, I can just disinfect it quickly. And here I have a Tiger Balm. Can you see it? It's a bit blurry. Tiger Balm is an ointment for pain relief. I love to use it if I have a sore throat or if I feel like I have a cold coming up. It smells really good. It's quite a strong smell, so it's just a paste, and then I rub it on my throat, behind my ears, and it just like creates a warmth with the smell, especially if you're like a bit stuffy in the nose. This is great. I never travel without this. So that's my little first aid pouch. And then finally, I have my big pouch with all the essentials and more. So I took out some essential oils. Oh, I need to remember to add my lavender oil. Peppermint oil is great if you had some garlic. Orange essential oil as well. And I put it in a little Ziploc bag because I don't want them to leak everywhere. Antiperspirant. So this is like a big Lush shower scrub container, but I'm just reusing it. I've put some body lotion in it. There might be some at the hotel, but I'm very picky when it comes to body lotion, so I make sure to carry my own. It's a big container for nothing, but I had nothing else. Bringing my own shampoo. I'm picky about my shampoo. From the big bottle, squeeze it into these little bottles, so just enough for the week. I have a small hairspray. My Clinique 3 steps sunscreen, even if it's gonna be rainy, you never know. And then I have a lot of like pimple products. Going on a trip is the perfect time to have a little pimple coming up. For pimple products, I like to use this Payot brand that I get at my esthetician, and what's great is that they already come in little travel sizes. Another moisturizer that I use in the winter, hair oil. 2 eye creams, 1 for the day, 1 for the night. Got makeup remover, little floss. I forgot what it was called. Floss. And then I have these, like it's just like little brushes because I used to have braces and now I have, I don't know how to call it, a wire behind my teeth. If you got it, you know what I'm talking about. So these are like extra little brushes to just go underneath it if food is stuck. And then that's it. And now what I think I'm gonna bring, because I have space, so I went to Sephora to pick up like the lotion and the hairspray, and then I was like, while I'm here, might as well pick up some extra stuff. And I got this mask, and it's in this beautiful package. So, you know, if I'm one night at the hotel and feeling tired after a hard working day, why not? This may be fun and doesn't take any space. And then I found as well, I had a little sample of this La Neige eye sleeping mask. So this feels like a very nice combo after a long work day. Is it a lot? Not a lot. What do you bring when you go travel? A lot of stuff? Not too much? Am I bringing too much? I don't think so. We're gonna start packing stuff. Put my suitcase over there. Do you want to show you? So we'll test together to see if it works. I bought these packing cubes and laundry bags, it's called. And it's like little pocket thingy. Then you can fit your clothes in it, so it's like better organized, which I love organizing things, so you know, that called my name at the store. I'm gonna see if this is actually useful. I mean, how could it not? Because you saw I have a lot of stuff, and I'm sure if I put it all messy in the suitcase, it's not gonna be useful. So I think I quite like this. Like the goal is to like group like your socks together, or like your underwear, your t-shirts, maybe like your coats and stuff. So I'm gonna see how I use them. I did read online, like some people were saying how it doesn't save you space. It's actually kind of taking a bit more space. Then that's not the goal of them. I didn't buy them to save space. I bought them to organize my stuff. So we shall see. We did it. I have my travel pouches, my cosmetics, some more bulky clothes, pajamas. Then I have my empty pocket. And then in here I've put like the looser items like my toothbrush, umbrella, my little accessories. But that's okay because then I can close this. Then I think I'll also use this for maybe like some dirty clothes. And then the only thing that's gonna be missing, I'm gonna pack some of my vlogging gear in it. I'm gonna be missing my electric toothbrush. This is all coming in with me. This is my plain clothes. So I think we're done. I'm done with packing for the day. Tomorrow morning, 4 a.m., lovely. I'll just put the final touches and clip everything. But otherwise, we're good. I have one suitcase, one backpack. I have my little handbag, but it fits in the backpack. And then I also have space in my backpack for my sweater. If I get hot, I got my coat in there as well when I arrive. And yeah, I'm just gonna like put my vlogging gear, masks, and anything that needs charging just tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go check on that Google Keep list that I showed you earlier. Make sure I ticked everything. I think I did. At least everything that was on my bed was ticking it. But I'll review one last time, and I'll review again, of course, one last time tomorrow early morning. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog tomorrow morning, like how awake and in the mood will I be to turn on the camera while I do this. So if I do, great. I'll see you when I do that tomorrow morning. If not, I will see you when I see you, maybe in the airplane, maybe in Vancouver, who knows. See you later, guys. Hello from Vancouver. Funny enough, I have loads of energy, even if I barely slept and I've been awake for many, many hours. I'm staying at the Georgian Court Hotel. So far, so good. Let me give you a little tour of the room. All right, so I got a pretty big room. We got two separate places. So have a little living area with a table, and I'm pretty excited to have this over here. So I got microwave, coffee, and I'm guessing I have a little fridge. Yeah, we have bedroom here, so I got massive bed to myself, another TV, and then we have a little vanity. I have a closet, bathroom, which is like super new, looks new, brandly renovated and clean, with a shower. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, I even have an umbrella and a yoga mat. They know me so well. This is awesome. Such a nice prop. Pretty good room. Hello, I am currently at English Bay. It's pretty. That's it. I just wanted to show it to you. I'm sure, I think here like it's super busy in the summer, but right now, not too busy. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It's been a busy day. I'm tired, especially because of the time change. So for me, it's like 3 hours later. So it's like 7 p.m. But it's only 4 p.m. here. For the next few days, I'm gonna be working. Like I said, I am here for work. And then I'll be visiting a family member. So I don't think I'll be vlogging much. I will be taking pictures though, and I'll be putting them on my Instagram, and I'll try to remember to put them in my stories highlight. So if you're interested in seeing more Vancouver pictures and moments and things I've done, get to my Instagram to go see that. You can get the link in my description, in this description down below, or from my channel homepage. It's linked there as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as usual. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I wish you a very good weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.